Hi everybody, happy Tuesday. Did you have a great weekend? I'm back with another brand new book to share. This book is called Mine. It's written by Candace Fleming and it's published by Ann Schwartz Books. And we want to thank her for allowing us to share this book with you today. So, are you ready to find out what this book is all about? Let's get started. Mine. Looks like a little mouse dreaming of an apple, doesn't it? In a tall, tall tree at the tip-tippy top hung a single red apple just about to drop. A long skittered mouse, an apple squeaks she, how divine. When it tumbles to the ground, it'll all be mine. And she zippity-eeked beneath a fallen leaf to wait. Mine. Along bounced Hare. Looky there, sniffed he, a crisp, crunchy lunch. Every bite meant for me to nibble, nabble, munch. And he hoppity boinged into the tall grass to wait. And he's dreaming, mine. So how many are waiting for this apple? A long padded fox. Whoopee, yip-tee, my nose does not deceive. I'll soon be eating supper with patience and a breeze. And he waggity dashed into a hollow log to wait. Mine. So now there's 3. Are you keeping count? Along trotted deer. Delicious, chucks she. Juicy, red, and sweet. Come down, Mr. Apple. This tummy needs a treat. And she trippity skipped into a thorny bush to wait. Mine. How many are waiting? 4. A long lumbered bear. Nummity nums, growled he. See that hanging there? My snack, my bite, my morsel. No way, I'm gonna share. And he stompity flopped behind a pile of rocks to wait. Mine. What number are you at? Are you at 5? Along whooshed the wind. Ooh, huffed the wind. The tree began to sway. Ooh, puffed the wind. Snap, the apple broke away. Down, 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 down. It plopped on the ground. See that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are all waiting for this one apple. What do you think is going to happen? Mine, 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 mine. Out darted mouse, out bolted hare, out bounded fox, then deer, then bear. And look at this scuffle. And see the apple over here? And the apple is bouncing away. Mine. Looks like a possum has it. Mine. Ours. He's going to share the apple with the worm. Oh, one more page. And it looks like they enjoyed it. The end. So, what did you think about this story? And how many of you out there have gone apple picking this year? Let me know on our Instagram page. I will be back on Thursday with another brand new book to share. So until then, everybody have a great couple days. Come check out this book, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.